Improve your English. Speak more. Learn more. Dear learner, in this video, I will show you how to improve your English through the simple technique of speak more, learn more. There are 3 characters. Mr. Ali, a student who wants to improve his English. Sarah, Ali's friend, good at English. Teacher, gives helpful advice. School playground. Ali is sitting on a bench, looking sad. Sarah walks by. Sarah, hey Ali, why do you look so down? Ali, I want to speak English better, but it's so hard. I don't know how to practice. Sarah, do you speak English with your friends? Ali, no, we always speak in our own language. English is only for class. Sarah, that's the problem. You need to use English more. The best way to learn is to speak. Classroom. The next day. Ali talks to his English teacher after class. Ali, teacher, I want to speak better English. What should I do? Teacher, great question, Ali. Here's a secret. Speak English every day, even with your friends. Ali, but what if I make mistakes? Teacher, that's okay. Mistakes help you learn. Your friends can help too. Start with easy words and short sentences. At lunch with friends. Ali sits with Sarah and 2 other friends. Ali, hey guys, can we try something fun? Friend 1, like what? Ali, let's speak only English for 10 minutes. Just for fun. Friend 2, okay, let's try. Sarah, good idea, Ali. They start speaking simple English. Friend 1, what do you want to eat? Ali, I like rice and chicken. What about you? Sarah, I want noodles. I love noodles. They laugh and keep going. 1 month later. Ali is more confident. He speaks English easily now. Ali, teacher, guess what? We speak English during lunch every day now. Teacher, that's amazing. Your English is much better now. Ali, thanks. I learned that speaking with friends is fun and helpful. Moral of the story. Do you want to improve your English? Don't be shy. Speak English with your friends, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. The more you speak, the better you get.